Settings. Next menu is Network. In this menu, you will be able to configure and see the network parameters of both interfaces. Remember that Net1 is only for control, and Net2 can be used for Dante and also control. Control means the web application, user control application, or third parties control. If Net1 and Net2 are connected simultaneously, they should be configured so that they are in different networks to avoid conflicts. From factory, both interfaces are configured in DHCP, but in case no IP server exists in the network, or if you try to connect directly point-to-point from a PC to Net1, for example, Net1 port will be configured in the auxiliary address, that is 192.168.0.100. Please change this address to a valid one in order to correctly work with the device. Do not work with the device with this auxiliary address. Switch on the Finder to blink all the front panel LEDs of the device. Click on Test button to check if your VIDA device has internet connection.